In a world where wellness trends ebb and flow, one natural powerhouse has steadfastly endured: Moringa powder. Extracted from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree. This vibrant green powder has traversed cultures and centuries, celebrated for its multifaceted health benefits. From enhancing immunity to fortifying digestion, Moringa powder stands as a nutritional treasure trove warranting exploration. In this comprehensive video, we delve deeper into the top 10 health benefits of Moringa powder, solidifying its status as an indispensable asset to your wellness regimen. 1. Nutrient-rich superfood. Moringa powder emerges as a juggernaut of nutrients, boasting an array of essential vitamins and minerals. This verdant powder is generously infused with vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and iron, delivering a nourishing amalgamation that effortlessly enriches your dietary intake. 2. Immune system fortification. An abundant repository of antioxidants, Moringa powder acts as a formidable guardian of the immune system. By neutralizing harmful free radicals and alleviating oxidative stress, Moringa powder fortifies your body's defenses, nurturing a resilient shield against potential threats. 3. Energy. The scourge of midday fatigue meets its match in Moringa powder. Enriched with natural compounds that invigorate and combat weariness. This dynamic powder fosters enduring vitality, ensuring that you remain poised and energetic throughout the day. 4. Digestive. Moringa powder ascends as a champion of digestive well-being, orchestrating a symphony of support for optimal digestion and regular bowel movements. Its inherent fiber content harmonizes with your gut, reducing gastrointestinal discomfort and maintaining the delicate balance within. 5. Healthy joints. Harnessing its anti-inflammatory prowess, Moringa powder extends its therapeutic touch to joint health. Through mitigating discomfort and enhancing flexibility, it establishes a reassuring foundation for managing inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. 6. Glowing skin. Moringa powder unveils its beauty-enhancing potential by nurturing skin from within. A profusion of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants act as an internal spotlight, bestowing a radiant luminescence that emanates from healthy, well-nourished skin. 7. Blood sugar. Early studies hint at Moringa powder's capacity to balance blood sugar levels, presenting a potential avenue for supporting those seeking to regulate their glucose levels. As an integral component of a balanced diet, Moringa powder may offer a helping hand in this crucial endeavor. 8. Heart health. Moringa's salutary effects extend to the cardiovascular realm, primarily through its influence on cholesterol levels and blood pressure regulation. By fostering cardiovascular wellness, Moringa powder emerges as a sentinel of heart health, perpetuating longevity. 9. Anti-inflammatory. The insidious nature of chronic inflammation underscores its association with diverse health afflictions. Moringa powder assumes the role of an anti-inflammatory ally, a potent component of an anti-inflammatory diet that aspires to mitigate the risk of chronic maladies. 10. Natural detoxification support. The intricate process of detoxification assumes paramount importance for holistic well-being. Moringa powder lends its support to this endeavor by nurturing optimal liver function and facilitating the expulsion of toxins, emboldening the body's detoxification mechanisms. Moringa dosage and how to use. To consume Moringa, simply mix 2 teaspoons of the organic powder in a glass of water and drink. Some of the nutrients are fat-soluble, so it's best to drink this after eating a meal that contains a fat like olive oil, cheese, or butter. This will help your body absorb more nutrients from the Moringa. Do not add hot water to Moringa, because it may kill off some of the enzymes within that help your body absorb some of the antioxidants. In a realm where health trends momentarily dazzle, Moringa powder stands as an enduring beacon of wellness. Its multifarious benefits, spanning immunity elevation, skin luminosity, heart health, and beyond, underscore its profound impact on holistic well-being. By seamlessly integrating Moringa powder into your daily ritual, you embrace an elixir of vitality sourced from nature's bounty. Propel yourself toward a state of thriving well-being, harnessing the transformative power of Moringa on your journey to optimal health and vitality.